Hey travel family, are you ready to get swept away by the charm of Portugal? Buckle up because we're diving into 10 incredible destinations that will leave you breathless. From vibrant cities to breathtaking beaches, ancient castles to volcanic wonders, Portugal offers something for everyone. So grab your cream pastries and let's explore. Our journey begins in Lisbon, the sun-kissed capital. Ride the iconic yellow trams, explore the Alfama Labyrinth, and marvel at the Jerónimos Monastery. Don't miss a sunset cruise on the Tagus River, painting the city skyline in golden hues. Foodies, indulge in fresh seafood at the Time Out Market and savor the nightlife in Bairro Alto. Next we hop north to Porto, the city of port wine. Take a scenic boat tour along the Douro River, witnessing the majestic bridges and colorful Vila Nova de Gaia. Immerse yourself in the history of port production with a cellar visit and tasting. Afterwards, wander through the Ribeira district, lined with charming shops and cafes. Craving beach bliss? The Algarve awaits. Soak up the sun on golden sands, explore hidden coves like Benagil, and kayak through dramatic limestone cliffs. For adventure seekers, try surfing at Sagres or paragliding over the turquoise waters. Don't forget to indulge in fresh seafood and the region's famous piri-piri chicken. Step into a fairy tale at Sintra, a magical town nestled in the hills. Be transported to another world at the Penia Palace with its vibrant colors and stunning views. Explore the mystical Quinta da Regaleira, filled with hidden tunnels and symbolism. Savor the local pastries at the historic Casa Piriquita and soak up the romantic atmosphere. Head inland to Evora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site brimming with history. Marvel at the Roman Temple, wander through the eerie Capella dos Ossos, Chapel of Bones, and explore the medieval walls. Don't miss the chance to witness the traditional Alentejo bullfighting, a unique cultural experience. Calling all nature lovers. Escape to the Azores, a volcanic archipelago in the middle of the Atlantic. Hike through lush landscapes, marvel at the Sete Cidades twin lakes, and soak in thermal pools naturally heated by the earth. Spot dolphins and whales on a boat tour and experience the tranquility of this hidden paradise. Immerse yourself in the academic spirit of Coimbra. Climb the iconic university tower for panoramic views and explore the ancient library. Witness the traditional Queima das Fitas student celebration, filled with music and color. Sample the city's famous Francina sandwich and lose yourself in the charming cobbled streets. Step back in time at Óbidos, a walled medieval town. Wander through the charming streets, visit the 12th century castle, and lose yourself in the annual literary festival that transforms the town into a bookworm's paradise. Sample the local ginja liqueur, served in chocolate cups, a unique regional treat. Wine enthusiasts, rejoice. The Douro Valley is a must-visit. Cruise along the scenic river, admire the terraced vineyards, and indulge in wine tastings at traditional estates. Learn about the unique port wine production process and savor the breathtaking views of this UNESCO World Heritage landscape. From bustling cities to hidden gems, Portugal has stolen our hearts. Whether you seek history, adventure, or relaxation, this diverse country has something for everyone. So pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to fall in love with the magic of Portugal. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite spots and hidden gems we may have missed. Until next time, happy travels. Subscribe for more travel adventures.